Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one-stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting-edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Our lead story is about Google lays off 100 plus cloud design staff amid AI push. Google revamps Home with Gemini AI, new Nest devices, and premium plans. Google has overhauled its smart home ecosystem with Gemini for Home, an AI designed to handle context, multi-user requests, and smarter automation, replacing Google Assistant on devices like Nest speakers and cameras. The Google Home app has been redesigned as a faster central hub with full device controls. New hardware includes updated Nest cams, a doorbell, and the first Gemini-powered home speaker. Google also introduced Google Home Premium subscription plans, standard 10-month and advanced 20-month, offering AI-driven features, automation, and enhanced video history. Early access begins this month. Google AI Plus smartphone launches India's first real-time privacy tool, NXT Privacy Dashboard. AI Plus smartphone has introduced the NXT Privacy Dashboard, India's first built-in real-time privacy tool, via updates to AI Pulse 4G and Nova 5G devices. The feature gives users clear visibility and control over app access to sensitive data like camera, mic, location, and clipboard. Key functions include real-time activity tracking, one-tap permission revocation, AI-powered privacy scores, smart alerts for unusual activity, and tracker pause options. Designed for India's 650M plus smartphone users, it reinforces transparency, data security, and digital sovereignty, powered by the indigenous NXT Quantum OS. Opera Neon, AI-powered browser with agentic tools. Opera has launched Opera Neon, a subscription-based browser featuring advanced AI tools for automated workflows. Key features include tasks, which create context-aware workspaces integrating sites, documents, and AI chats; cards, reusable AI prompts that streamline activities like shopping or meeting notes; and Neon Do, a flagship agentic AI that navigates, fills forms, compares data, and executes actions directly within the browser. By functioning inside authenticated sessions, it eliminates repeated logins. Opera Neon is currently available via waitlist for early users. Adobe launches Premiere app on iPhone with pro editing and AI tools. Adobe has released the Premiere mobile app for iPhone, bringing professional video editing features to smartphones. The app supports multi-track timelines, 4K HDR video, speed controls, motion effects, captions, and background removal. AI-driven tools include enhanced speech for clearer audio, generative sound effects, and creative assets like stickers and backgrounds. Users can access Adobe's free fonts, stock media, and export directly to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram. Core tools are free, with upgrades for storage and AI credits. Projects can sync seamlessly with Premiere Pro on desktop. Adobe DoorDash unveils Dot, autonomous delivery robot for local commerce. DoorDash has launched Dot, its first commercial autonomous delivery robot designed to carry up to 14 kilos and travel at speeds of 32 km/h. Introduced by co-founder Stanley Tang, Dot is built for bike lanes, sidewalks, and roads, making local deliveries more efficient. At one-tenth the size of a car, Dot operates under DoorDash's new autonomous delivery platform, aiming to create a sustainable and accessible delivery ecosystem. Years in development at DoorDash Labs, Dot showcases advanced autonomy for real-world, last-mile delivery challenges. Salesforce launches Agentforce Vibes AI-powered vibe coding tool. Salesforce has introduced Agentforce Vibes, an enterprise-grade AI vibe coding tool that lets developers describe apps in natural language while AI agents handle coding. The platform includes Vibe Cody, an autonomous coding agent integrated with a company's Salesforce account, enabling code reuse, adherence to guidelines, and enterprise-level security. Unlike startups, Salesforce embeds vibe coding within its ecosystem, reducing costs and setup barriers. Built on open source client's VS Code extension, Agentforce Vibes offers 50 GPT-5 powered requests daily and is currently free for existing Salesforce users. Today's iTool is Otter.ai, AI-powered transcription and collaboration tool. Otter.ai is an AI-driven platform that provides real-time transcription, note-taking, and collaboration features for meetings, lectures, and interviews. It automatically converts speech into accurate text, supports speaker identification, and generates summaries with key highlights. Users can search, edit, and share transcripts across devices, making it useful for professionals, students, and teams. Otter.ai integrates with platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams, enabling seamless meeting records. With AI-powered features such as live captions and keyword search, Otter.ai simplifies productivity and enhances communication efficiency. Our lead story is about Google lays off 100 plus cloud design staff. Amid AI push, Google has laid off over 100 employees from its cloud design teams, including user research and platform experience groups, as it doubles down on artificial intelligence and tighter cost control. Most affected workers are in the US, with some given until December to find new roles internally. CEO Sundar Pichai has urged staff to adopt AI tools to boost productivity, aligning with Alphabet's $85 billion AI infrastructure investment in 2025. The move mirrors industry-wide restructuring, with Microsoft, Meta, and Amazon also cutting jobs in favor of AI-driven efficiency. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.